It is time now for our Money Monday segment. I've been looking forward to this because it's been quite some time since we've had David Seeger on with us. He's the CEO and president of the Great Lakes Credit Union. Of course, right here with us now. Welcome back from your trip.
Thank you. Broke a toe, mashallah.
So did you have fun?
I did. A lot of fun. Saw a lot of things. It was a great time. So it was a great time that we spent over there in the Holy Land.
And tell our viewers a bit of what you saw when you went, and then we'll get on to the stocks.
Oh, yeah. We saw the Sea of Galilee. Then we went to Jerusalem, saw the major sites in Jerusalem. So it was a great time, and it was a trip that was provided to the Diocese of Toledo. It was a tour group, so it worked really well then for us.
Well, glad you enjoyed it. Okay, but what you're here for this morning, we're looking at the stocks. How are we on this Monday?
Okay, the Dow right now, the future is looking really well. Up 118 on the Dow, the S&P up 1325, and the Nasdaq is up 3820. And Europe is all up right now. They're pushing these numbers up, I believe. And Asia was mixed a little bit, but still pretty strong numbers from there. So a lot of good news right here, right now, but there's always some clouds to report on.
Of course.
So some good things to look at too. Friday's job report, we expect to put 242,000 jobs that were created in March. That's what we expect to hear on Friday. Unemployment staying about the same at 5.5. So that's some of the good news. Greece this morning was supposed to, there had been a problem in the past in terms of making some disruptions within the market. Greece this morning missed a deadline for a plan of action as to how to handle their financial crisis, and they ran out of money on the 20th of April. So that might shock the market a little bit later today. So I'm not confident in these buoyant numbers. So
something that we do need to watch out for.
Correct.
All right, and again, what do you think we'll see as far as employment and unemployment in the coming month?
So far, so good. The numbers have been relatively strong. Like again, they expect to have 242,000 jobs created in the month of March, and that's pretty good. It's been pretty consistent. We would like to see more, but still they're consistent.
Well, at least it's consistent right now. And of course, when we come back, we'll have a bit more in our 6 o'clock half hour. We're looking at the supermarket and some mistakes that we may make.
That's right. Mistakes shoppers make at the supermarket. And I'm going to give you some tips of how to avoid some of those mistakes.
Tips you definitely want this morning. David, thank you so much. We'll see you back.